Welcome to our Lightroom tutorial for Class 5. The one that I recorded in class live, the sound didn't come out, so I'm going to redo it quickly. Okay, remember dragging and dropping into Lightroom, we want library ticked, checked, and now we just grab our picture which is on the desktop, hover over, drop in, and now we can click import. And we are ready to go. Okay, let's go to develop. Now, when looking at this picture, it's a nice picture shot at 1.8. The eyes are pin sharp. The point of this picture is the eyes. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to crop in. We've got the aspect ratio locked, which means the shape of the image is not going to change. Let's just bring him in, making sure that we put the eyes on the thirds. Let's adhere to the rule of thirds. Maybe even a little closer. If we want to look at this lights out, we just press L and we can see like this. This is looking good. Maybe we're going to turn it a little bit straighter. Good. Okay, we're going to accept that. That's great. Let's get rid of the information here. Now, obviously, first things first is let's fix up the eyes. So we're going to go to our brush tool here and we're going to choose our iris enhance. We're going to zoom in. By going 1, 1, we're going to hold spacebar, which allows us to drag the image. And now, just going to go over the eyes. If we press O, we're going to be able to see the mask that we've drawn, which is basically fine. Okay. And let's just see the difference between before and after using the slash key. That's good. More than that is going to start getting a little bit fake. Could be to put the whites up a teeny drop. Could be okay. Okay, and let's do the same over here. Just brings out those colours. Excellent, and just brightens up the whites of the eyes a little bit, which pops out the iris. Okay, let's have a look. Let's zoom back out again. Let's have a look at the before and after. Let's get rid of the pin by pressing H. Now you can see, yeah, that's just enough. Just enough. Now, in regards to cleaning up the skin, let's create a new pin, and we will go to, we have a skin softening tool here which drops the clarity down, raises the sharpness a little bit. It's quite effective. Let's move in closer a little bit. Okay, here we can see all any kind of textures disappear. That's nice. Good. Just release any kind of imperfections from the cheeks. That's good. So that smooth kind of, what would happen if I had gone under here, that wouldn't have been a good idea. Let's just look at my mask now, we can see that. To bring back that area under the nose, all I need to do here is go to erase, and now I can just erase this area here underneath the nose. That would give me a much more realistic look. Okay, this is looking good. Let's go back to our brush again, just finish off under the chin. Okay, in regards to fixing this little blemish on the lip, the truth is I'll probably go into Photoshop to do this. But let's try in Lightroom. We can go in 1, 1, and we can use the spot tool here. If we just do a little bit over here, we can actually, there we go. That's good. And then to do another one, just over here. Good. And then another one, just over here. And then I think we could just use a brush to soften this area. The clarity has made it a little bit darker, so I don't really want that, but I'm going to drop the sharpness down. Just enough to not see that. That's good. Fine, let's zoom back out again. Okay, I think I'm just going to drop a small vignette, just to again keep us really involved in the eyes. And I think that's it. Let's have a look at the before and after. That was what it was, and that's what we've taken it to. Okay, let's just quickly show you now in regards to exporting. We hit Control-Shift-E, which brings up the export dialog. Now, if I want to put it in a subfolder, let's call it Class 5 Edit. If we want to rename the file, we can use this. In regards to resizing anything, I don't want to resize it. However, I would like to limit it to 3.5 megabytes. And that looks good. Let's hit Export. And it comes up with the place to save it. There we go. We'll see this dialog, this little line here, go to the end. Should hear a little ting or something. Do we? Okay, we should have done anyway. And here we go. That's the final image. That was the before, and that's the after. Okay, thanks for watching. All the best.